Meaning of Massachusetts Institute of Technology.
Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Massachusetts Institute of Technology.
Proper noun geographical name. Definitions. 1. A state in the northeastern United States bordered by New Hampshire and Vermont to the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the east, Rhode Island and Connecticut to the south, New York to the west, and Vermont to the northwest. Examples. 1. Massachusetts is known for its fall foliage. 2. The University of Massachusetts is located in Amherst. Institute. Part of speech noun. Definitions. 1. An organization or establishment dedicated to a specific purpose or activity. 2. A building or structure housing such an organization. Examples. 1. The Institute is a leading research center for cancer treatment. 2. The Institute offers courses in foreign languages. A. Part of speech preposition. Definitions. 1. Expressing possession or association. 2. Indicating origin or source. Examples. 1. The book of poetry was written by a local author. 2. The city of Paris is famous for its art museums. Technology. Part of speech noun. Definitions. 1. The application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes, especially in industry. 2. Machinery and equipment developed from such knowledge. Examples. 1. Advances in technology have revolutionized the field of medicine. 2. The company specializes in cutting-edge technology solutions.
Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Massachusetts Institute of Technology.